me explain what connecting board is. Let me use a real life scenario. Connecting board is like the fence, that short fence that connects you and your next neighbor. Some of you who stay in estates, eh, know that there are some fences that are very short that you can peep into your next neighbor's compound to see maybe when their kids are playing ball or when they are going out or if they are quarreling and all that. So that short fence, we can call that short fence connecting board. Your own flat is one board, your neighbor's flat is another board, but the fence that you can see into your neighbor's compound is the connecting board. So that's just a simple scenario to explain this. So what does that mean? It means that we already established the fact that we have boards here. We created a couple of boards from our previous from our previous class. And in creating that board, we know that whatever is in a board is probably different from whatever is in another board. Sometimes you might even duplicate a board, but maybe one or two things are different. But you want a situation that probably the boards have something in common, probably marketing and social media, and you want to see from the marketing point of view what is happening in the social media board, and you most likely do not even have access to the other board. Remember that each board there are permissions to them, right? So you want to be sure that you are able to see into the other board without necessarily either going to that board or if you don't have permission into that board. So that's what the connecting board does. So